Hi, it's Kathleen, and this week we've got a thrift swap on our hands, people. That's right, I'm partnering up with my friend Alycia over at Alycia Thrifts, and we're gonna do some thrifting. If you don't know Alycia, she's the queen of Depop, the queen of denim, and also I'm pretty sure she's the queen of Canada, if I'm understanding correctly. But don't take my word for it, here she is to introduce herself and let us know what she wants me to look for at the thrift store.
Hi Kathleen's viewers, my name is Alycia, and like Kathleen, I'm a huge lover of vintage. I would say specifically I'm more of a 90s kind of girl. Some specifics that I'm looking for are pretty much any high-waisted jeans, sweater vests, anything with like teddy bear graphics, dresses with like mixed denim and floral prints. So I'm gonna leave that in Kathleen's hands, and I'm very excited to see what she finds for me.
You heard the lady. Let's get this cross-country thrift swap going. Hi, we're in the dresses. She pinned so many cute little like 90s sitcom mom dresses, as I like to call them. Lots of like silky midi skirts. Hopefully we can find something good. Ooh, little vintage jumpsuits. It's a maybe. And although Alicia's style and my style aren't that similar, I mean, they're not dissimilar. One thing we do have in common for sure is that the majority of both of our wardrobes is vintage. So I'm definitely looking for those vintage tags. See if we can find some goodies. Okay, I don't think this is Alicia's style, but I just thought this was so weird. Zetus Lupetus on the inside, Rella DeVille on the outside. It's $4.99. You cannot beat that price for such a cool statement piece. Also, we have two special challenges for this thrift swap. One, Alicia's been looking for a dress with a denim top and a floral bottom, and also teddy bear items, teddy bear prints, motifs. I think we can handle one of those special assignments, but we'll see. Holy Charlie Brown, Batman, look at those buttons. Collection of Alycia-esque items. I'm not sure about any of them though. The only one that I think is a maybe, got a lot of denim as you can see, is this little denim dress. It's long, but I think this little detail of these flowers is so cute. The only problem is this bottom pattern is, I don't know, maybe a little too boho for her tastes. It does have a cute little slit. She could always chop it off. I know that girl has a sewing machine. Have you seen her sewing videos? Amazing. I'm thinking we should go check a different spot. Let's go. It's the next day. I've got all my goodies for Alycia right here in this bag, but I'm not gonna show you what I ended up getting her. That's right, you're gonna have to watch her video after this one to go see what I ended up sending her and how she ends up styling it. I'll link it down in the description box. It's live right now. Hooray! Double the fun, double the content for you today. Okay, I lied. I am gonna show you one of the things I got her because I wasn't able to find her any teddy bear items. But I think we can fix that. I think I can make her a teddy bear item. Here, come with me. I'll show you. Y'all, I just did something so dumb. So here's the sitch. As you know, I was looking for teddy bear print items, teddy bear graphics for Alycia, and I couldn't quite find a good one. So I decided to make her one instead. And I did, and I sent it to her, and it was super cute and beautifully lit, and then I deleted the footage. What? But let me show you what I had in mind because it was so cool. So what I did, but then deleted, was I needle felted a little teddy bear face on a sweater vest using super sweet pastel colors like blue and orange. I literally just broke every single needle. What the heck? And it was like a needle explosion, like it hit my face. Should I be wearing safety goggles when I do this? Holy moly. Anyways, and pink. And I even went as far as to add some hand embroidery so that I could capture some of that sweet teddy bear kind of texture and love. I mean, I even added a nose and eyeballs. I just really can't believe I deleted all the footage that showed the process and the finished item. Oh, I guess I kind of did just show you the process and the finished item. This turned out so cute. Who wants this? I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. Details at the end of the video, so stick around. Hee hee. Look what I have, a bag. From Canada. Do you want to go film this downstairs? I feel like we need a change of scenery. As a reminder, here's the board that I sent Alycia, and the details are basically just like vintage anything, specifically vintage items with interesting details. A bit of a funk, if you will. Gosh, she is slowly walking down the stairs. You love to be part of the action, don't you? What is that? It's a knife! No! The colors that I'm seeing. The colors that I'm seeing. Wait, what is this? Is it a dickie? Bandana. Is this for you? Ah! The rest of the package can wait. Hold on. I'm gonna get naked on the internet real quick, but don't worry, it's for a good cause. What a dapper little guy. I think he likes it. Now in a true toddlers and tiaras moment, I'm gonna match my child. I know! What a great way to start this thrift swap. Thank you, Alycia. All right, let's keep going. Are you just the cutest little dress I've ever seen? Alycia must have heard it through the grapevine that I love a butter yellow. This sweet little shoulder padded dress with these double buttons in the front. Are you serious? And the sweetest little neckline with that rosette in the front. I cannot wait to put this on my body. Sorry, I bonked you. She managed to stuff a lot in this little bag. Ooh. More silky material. Skirts with a super cool vintage tag, made in Canada. Swag. I noted in my request that I love like transparency and fluttery layers. This looks like a skirt you could spin in, or I guess twirl is a more appropriate term. I feel like this could go goth real quick. I'm very interested in that when we get to the styling portion. This pattern. I don't know if y'all are ready for this. Oh, what? Huh? This is crazy. What? What, huh? Made in Canada, of course. How do I love the let me count the ways. Harlequin pattern, check. Strange flower graphic, check. The fact that it just says flowers on the bottom. Incredible, check. I am amazed. I am in awe. One more item. What a beautiful color. Silky. I detect a bit of a puff sleeve, which for some reason always reminds me of like 1800s Wild West layers and corsets and calico. Okay, the perfect layering piece. My mind is already like, let's do something with this. I've got so many ideas. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, first, thank you, Alycia. This was awesome. All right, let's start with the piece that I am most excited about, this sweater. I've been wanting to do a little sweater and pleated skirt combo for a while, and I took the opportunity to double up on the checker pattern with my layered button up as well. I also recently saw this inspo pic that paired baggy cargo pants with an oversized sweater, and I wanted to try it too. With just the pants and the sweater, it's super casual and easy, but with the added few details like the jeweled beret and the wallet chain, I seriously feel so cool. I'm gonna outfit repeat this bad boy to death. Okay, next let's play with this jewel-toned satin top. I mentioned earlier that it kind of reminds me of like Wild West salooniness, so I went full chromatic can-can girl with this over-the-top layering look. The color blocking is truly a feast for the eyes, and I love how all the satiny material just swooshes together. The swoosh. It's unreal. Now for something a little more normcore, let's go business cash by pairing it with a neutral but patterned skirt and blazer, and I still love how it adds a funky little pop of color. Okay, the dress, people, the dress. It's sweeter than an ice cold glass of Southern sweet tea, I'll tell you what. So let's take it full 90s by bringing back the blazer, the docks, the wallet chain, and adding a little waistcoat and some frilly socks. And we got ourselves a look. This is another outfit where I feel extremely me. However, the pale dress paired with my equally pale skin means we needed to add some contrast, so I love how the accessories and layering pieces bring some cohesion to the overall look. And finally, the skirt. Alycia seriously did a great job introducing so many cool textures and movement into this thrift swap. So I added some additional depth by bustling the skirt a little bit and adding a cute little ribbon. I saw my friend Liz do this in one of her videos and I just loved how it looked. I added some vampiric frills in a black knit tunic followed by a mountain of leather. I love going heavy on the layers with monochrome looks. I feel like it's like secret eye candy that you only really notice when you look closely. Y'all, I am never gonna get over this sweater. Pure magic. The best thing about it is I feel very me when I wear it. And that's the goal. I gotta give a mad shout out to Alycia. If you don't know her, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? I love that we both have the idea to do a thrift flip. Great minds think alike. And speaking of, let's talk about that giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this super cool sweater vest, and it features our little teddy bear friend. It's a size XXL, made in Australia, ooh. And you saw how it fit on me. I'm more of a medium, so you can kind of use that as a gauge for how it might fit you. If you are interested in winning the sweater vest, here are the details. It's open worldwide. You need to do 2 things to enter. 1, subscribe to my channel, and 2, leave a comment down below with the bear emoji or teddy bear emoji. And if you don't have emojis, you can just say, this is my giveaway entry. That's fine too. And in that comment, also you must leave your contact information, whether that's your Instagram @ or your Twitter handle, so that I have a way of getting in contact with you when I pick a winner in 1 week. You can also just like shoot me an email or a direct message on Instagram if you don't want to put your contact info out there on the interwebs. I get it. And that's it. Don't forget, Alycia's Thrift Swap is live right now too, so I'll leave a link in my description box. Go watch it. And, well, you might be interested in my huge Thrifty Finds playlist. It has almost 70 videos of pure thrifted goodness. So I'll leave this here. I'll get out of here. Don't forget, you're very stinky. And I am too. I love you, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.